Akala ko ikaw. Nagtatalo ba kayo ng partner mo kung sino ang dapat gumawa ng isang bagay sa negosyo ninyo? Yung tipong may deadline na pero parehong akala ninyo ang isa ang bahala? O kaya naman, pareho kayong nag-e-effort sa parehong task. Tapos nag-aksaya lang kayo ng oras dahil hindi malinaw kung sino ang in charge. Naku anak, I know exactly how confusing and frustrating that can feel. Nung sinimulan ninyo ang negosyo, sobrang excited kayo sa dream, di ba? Yung possibilities, the income, the freedom, lahat gusto nyong ma-achieve together. Pero nobody sat down and said, ano ba talaga ang role ko? Kaya ang nangyari, duplicate efforts. Pareho kayong gumagawa ng parehong trabaho and you are actually wasting time and energy. Or worse, may mga gaps, may tasks na walang gumagawa kasi pareho ninyong akala na yung isa ang bahala. Kaya ang resulta, customers are disappointed, deadlines are missed, money is wasted. At ang inyong relationship, it became tense. Kasi anak, hindi lang ito business problem. Nagiging relationship problem na rin. Every miscommunication at work turns into a fight at home. Every dropped ball becomes, akala ko ikaw na ang bahala. After that, both of you end up exhausted and frustrated. Tapos, tinatanong nyo, bakit ang hirap ng partnership natin? The truth, it's not that you are incompatible or that you are bad at business. Ang kailangan lang talaga is structure. That's how you become a truly business-minded Pinoy.